Who sells the Purple Mattress? If you're in the market for a new mattress and you're curious about where you can find the popular Purple Mattress, you're in the right place. Let's break down all the ways you can get your hands on one of these innovative mattresses. First off, Purple mattresses are widely available in various retail stores. You can find them in over 1,000 retail locations, including well-known chain stores like Mattress Firm and department stores such as Macy's. This means you can visit a physical store, lie down on the mattress, and feel its unique GelFlex grid for yourself before making a purchase. In addition to these retail stores, Purple mattresses are also sold online through several platforms. You can buy them directly from the Purple website, where you can browse different models, read reviews, and even take advantage of promotions and discounts. For example, the Purple mattress, Purple Plus mattress, and various Restore and Rejuvenate models are all available online. Another way to purchase a Purple mattress is through partner retailers like Mattress Warehouse. These retailers often offer special deals, free gifts with purchase, and other incentives to make buying a Purple mattress even more appealing. For instance, you might find discounts of up to $400 or $500 on certain models, along with free gifts to sweeten the deal. Purple also encourages other businesses to become authorized retailers. If you own a store, you can join the Purple family and benefit from sales support, promotional programs, and marketing tools provided by Purple. This helps ensure that customers can find Purple mattresses in a variety of local stores as well. Lastly, word of mouth plays a significant role in how people discover Purple mattresses. Many customers learn about the brand through recommendations from friends or family members who have already purchased and enjoyed their Purple mattress. So whether you prefer shopping online, visiting a retail store, or buying from a local authorized retailer, there are plenty of ways to get your hands on a Purple mattress and start enjoying better sleep.